What's up guys, I'm Lo and I'm going to attempt to make a giant Hot Pocket, which is going to be a little tough considering I've never actually had one. I really cannot tell what kind of dough this is. Have you ever had a Hot Pocket, June?
You bet.
It exploded a little bit, but
Let's sit 2 minutes to complete cooking and enjoy.
okay.
What do you think dough conditioner blend is?
My Hot Pocket is not gonna have
No.
that.
I want to tear it open with my bare hands.
Do it.
How hot can it be?
This is sad. How many? I only have one pepperoni in here.
This looks worse than my elementary school cafeteria pizza.
I see no reason in making a giant Hot Pocket that tastes like a Hot Pocket because that's just supersizing the problem.
I don't remember it tasting this bad.
My plan is to make a pizza dough. I hate making pizza dough because I hate letting it rise, and I'm going to attempt to make one that has not been proofed and just to roll it out right away. Still use yeast and fold everything in it. Do I have high hopes? No, but maybe it'll work out. Let's get to work. I'm winging this, so I'm measuring flour, a packet of yeast, salt. So we want it to taste like something unlike the original.
Do you think we should have some dried spices in the dough?
That's smart.
Do you want Italian seasoning at all?
Sure, I'll use that instead of oregano. Adding garlic powder. I'm gonna add maybe a teaspoon. Gonna do some Italian seasoning. It's kind of already sticking together. It's a little bit of a cohesive mass already. Definitely gonna need more dough. I want it to be like this big.
That's it?
How big were you thinking?
I was thinking a full sheet tray.
I'd rather more filling than what they had.
Oh my god. Hold on, I haven't collected them all yet.
Okay, but
that's gotta be enough. I believe a 1/4 teaspoon of salt is 25% of recommended sodium intake. So currently you have 200% of sodium already. So you want to keep the salt as is?
I mean, let me taste it. It's
do you
pretty
think?
salty.
Pretty salty.
I'm actually nervous that this is not going to be enough dough to be as giant as I want it to be.
This machine is going to be very sad very soon because that's a lot of dough.
I mean, it already kind of looks like a giant Hot Pocket.
I have a good feeling about this.
Instant off oven, 20 minutes. Actually, it kind of got bigger in that 20 minutes. Feeling kind of nice and elastic. Dun, dun, dun. Actually stretching pretty nicely. It smells pretty good. I mean, I think it's all the garlic powder. If this is not flavorful, then we've messed up somehow. Should I
Shovel the pan.
Yeah. Ooh. Start with cheese. A pound of cheese just on the bottom because we wanted to celebrate the giant Hot Pocket. We did get nicer pepperoni, so I'm gonna see how far this gets us.
Oh yeah, I think you have enough fancy pepperoni. You don't even need these.
All right, so we've already got a pound of cheese. I think we're gonna break up the meat with more cheese. I didn't know.
Do you want an offset?
It's probably smart.
Yeah, you might need a lot of stuff.
I think a little bit more cheese and then more meat. June just added Italian seasoning. We just want to attack them with flavor.
I say that we start off at 500, keep an eye on it.
Let's try it.
We have much uncertainty in this episode.
I believe this is 3 pounds of cheese.
Wow.
One more layer of meat.
What do you think they put on top? Is this an egg wash?
It's not shiny.
But it's not cheesy. It's not a very pretty thing to look at.
Oop! The dough could just taste disgusting.
What? All right, how do we move this now? Not really. Oh my God. Wow.
What am I doing?
I think we need to definitely water down the edges. And we'll see.
We're predicting it's gonna be 10 pounds.
It looks just like a Hot Pocket.
What should should we brush this with? We're afraid that oil is going to brown too quickly, yeah?
I find that egg wash actually does a really nice effect of like trapping the moisture.
Got 5 vents that you've probably missed before when you're eating it. And just cut a slit. Snipping. We have a lot of extra dough, so I wonder if we only really needed
2?
double.
We'll make a second Hot Pocket. We should save those.
Yeah, we should
in case
save
we
it.
fail.
There's already parm in the dough, so we probably don't need parm.
Yeah, and parm browns way too fast, I think.
I think we just have to check on it a lot. I have no idea how long this is gonna bake for. Oh my God.
Is it too heavy? Can I do a bicep curl with this? This might be, right now, 15 pounds.
So as you can see, we added a tray underneath, partly to catch anything that spilled over, partly to make sure that the bottom didn't burn. Ugh. I forgot how heavy it was. I'm not gonna lie, the slit kind of makes it look weird. It looks like the face of a blowfish to me, like these are the eyes.
But did you see the original Hot Pocket? The original Hot Pocket looks like that exactly, though.
Oh, true. I think to cover up our weird little face, I want to sprinkle this with parm, I think.
I love the face. I don't think it's gonna melt.
Doesn't really do much, and it's not really sticking, so maybe this was stupid. Maybe I'll put it back for like 2 minutes. It does not look like a Hot Pocket at all. I feel pretty good. I don't know. I'm mainly concerned about what the dough tastes like. So if the dough tastes good, I'm ready to call it a win.
Oh, 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 it's bubbling.
It's squirting.
Smells way more like a pizza.
It's pretty good. It's got a lot of flavor. It's like the flavor of a Hot Pocket on crack. All right, let's bring this up. It doesn't look like it, but just taste it.
I feel like it should be.
Just eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I know, Brandon.
Kids.
Oh my God, it's so good. Way better than a Hot Pocket.
Do you care that it doesn't look like a Hot Pocket? Thanks, guys.
Oh my God,
Jesus.
you are an animal. Where are your manners?